Hey everyone, welcome back to Touch Trove. The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 series is just around the corner, with an official release expected in January. And let's be honest, the hype is building up fast. Leaked images and early benchmarks have already given us a glimpse of what Samsung has in store, and it looks like they're planning to raise the bar yet again. Expect a sleek design, upgraded cameras, and some impressive performance boosts that have tech enthusiasts buzzing. Now, here's the exciting part. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, the US version, recently popped up on Geekbench with some truly eye-catching performance numbers. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, this device is setting some impressive benchmarks. And keep in mind, these numbers are expected to improve as Samsung finalizes the device. To put it into perspective, the Galaxy S25 Ultra Model SM S938U first appeared on Geekbench back in September, with scores of 369 in single-core and 98 in multi-core. But newer tests now show a massive leap to 3,148 for single-core and 10,236 for multi-core. Impressive, right? By comparison, the S25 Plus, running on the Exynos 2500, scored 2,360 for single-core and 8,140 for multi-core solid, but still behind the Snapdragon-powered Ultra. But wait, while these numbers are exciting, they're not the final word. As with any early benchmark, results tend to fluctuate as testing and software updates improve performance. So, while today's results look promising, they may not fully represent the final performance at launch. Moving on to design leaks. A recent tip from Roland Quant showcased some case designs for the entire S25 lineup, revealing that Samsung is sticking with a look similar to the Galaxy S24 series, but with a few sleek tweaks. For instance, the S25 Ultra case shows more rounded corners compared to the S24 Ultra, and button placement is nearly identical. The camera setups? Familiar but refined, triple lenses for the S25 and S25 Plus, and a quad setup for the S25 Ultra. Now, these case designs often come from schematics that Samsung sends to accessory makers, so chances are they're pretty accurate. Expect the S25 series to look familiar but feel fresher with these subtle design updates. In conclusion, while there's still a lot to learn about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, these early leaks and benchmarks are giving us an exciting preview. With a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset powering the Ultra, we're expecting some serious performance. As for design, it's a refined update with a sleeker profile and rounded corners. As January draws closer, Samsung's next big release is shaping up to be something special. So, what do you think of these new benchmark scores? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest updates. We'll be covering full specs, design details, and pricing to help you decide if the Galaxy S25 should be your next smartphone. Stay tuned to Touch Trove, we've got a lot more to cover.